Hi guys, what's up? It's another day with Fellow F. Alright guys, on this video I want to break something simple to you. Alright, I know a whole lot of you, when you hear a market is in an uptrend, you think you just need to be buying every candlestick. No, that's not how it works. I want you to understand how simple it is to get good entries in an uptrend, where to enter and how you should expect it, how you should get the real move, not trying to catch every move. Because to be a good trader doesn't mean you catch every single move. Consistent profitability doesn't mean taking trade every single setup. Okay. All right, so that being said, I will take you straight to the chart. All right, I want you to understand something. When we say price is in an uptrend, you see it's going up, giving us a little move to the downside, which we call pullbacks. It gives you another swing, pulls back a little, gives you another swing, pulls back a little, gives you another swing. You understand? So these little moves are exactly what gives us our entries. Okay? These are what we call pullbacks. Okay? And since it is an uptrend, the original move is always bigger than the pullback. Okay? The original move is always bigger than the pullback. I just want to make it cool. Good. The original moves are always bigger than the pullbacks. Now, for you to catch this original move, okay, if you say, all right, you want to catch it maybe around here. Okay, they say it's an uptrend, right? It's moving. You want to catch it here. You catch it. Let's say I want to make it very understandable in such a way that on your own you'll be able to do it. I don't know why this thing is a little stressful. All right, let's say you catch it here and you're hoping to continue with the trend. Okay, price just moves a little and goes back against you because it has to do a pullback before it continues. Okay, so the question is, how do you get good entries? Okay, it's simple. When price gives you a pullback like what you see here, this small red move, that's where you mark out your key level. Okay, you mark out your key level. Let's say price gets to this zone, you take out your Fibonacci because there are levels you need to know. You take from the recent low to the most recent high. Okay, anywhere around 61.8% and 78.6% is a golden zone where you look for perfect entries. Okay, and that's where we have the box that I've drawn. Okay, now that we have our fifth level, we take this off, we take this off, we take this off. What do you wait for? I always give you one simple candlestick. Let's say, all right, you need to use just the engulfing candlestick around the zone. Okay, so at that point, you wait for, since it is a bullish trend, you wait for this engulfing candle, which takes out the last candle, the last red candle that came down. Okay, I want you to understand exactly how you can catch these moves. Okay, so around this zone, let's make this zone ash. Okay, around this zone, you wait for an engulfing candlestick. From that engulfing candlestick, what do? You take your entry. Let's say you buy here. I actually don't know what's happening. Good. You can decide to put your stop loss below the swing low, or you put it few pips below the engulfing candle, and then you take profit. You can take it to the to any zone, at least 1:2. Okay, that's how simple it is to catch trades off pullbacks. Okay, so as a trader, this is what you're looking for. When price is moving to the upside, you wait for a pullback, okay, for you to get a buy. Let's go now to our real charts to see if this thing truly works, okay, to see if this thing truly works. We take it anywhere, okay. This is the 15 minutes chart. Let's just take this example. You see, since this is the trend, let's say price went up. What happened? Price came down. Went up. What happened? Price came down. Price went up. What happened? Price came down. It's perfect. Let's go back to our drawing. Is this not exactly what we have here? That is it, guys. So I've given you a golden rule. Go back, test it on your charts, try to see it on your own charts and understand how it works. And if you have any questions, ask me in the description section. If you're watching this on TikTok, you're watching this on Facebook, YouTube, wherever, do not forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment, and let's keep building, guys. Lots of love. And there are links to my free Telegram community where I drop signals and share opportunities like this with everyone for free is also in the description section. And for those watching on TikTok, check on my bio. You'll see the link. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Ciao.